Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got KB Shimmer ready for a good lime. I'm starting off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is KB Shimmer ready for a good lime. Very, very nice. Polish. And here we go with our first coat. And it's got a really good formula. You know, these pastel-y bright pastels. I don't know what they call them, bleach neon looking colors. Sometimes they can be a little chalky and hard to work with, but this one's working out just great. Here we go for our second coat, and it does level out really nicely. I like that. There we go. Nice, pretty color. I am loving it. We're going to top it with some Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat real quick, get it to dry down. Got some playing to do today. There we go. Here's a swatch photo of it on its own. And we'll be using KADS Mini 026 today. My monocle stamper and my Maniology scraper. Maniology's greenhouse. We're going to stamp with this color first. And yep, I said first because we're going to do some double stamping. I was going to just stamp normal, but I ended up deciding I really wanted to double stamp. So that image worked out perfectly. And I'm just going to work around this plate and pull different images for each nail. There's just so many plates and so many images that these kind of manicures just work out for me, because then that way I'm getting to try more. Love it, love it. And also another thing is when you do manicures like this, each nail don't have to exactly match, but you know, these images all work well with each other. They pair up nicely. There we have it, and one more. I tried to pick images that were kind of similar on this plate, but you could have just gone crazy and done any of them. Here we go. Last one. I'll be using this olivey golden color from Twinkle Tea today and to do the double stamping. So I'm going to go over those same images and try to line them up over all of the images that are already on my nails. And get some of this excess up with a piece of tape. Now to figure out how I had it on my nail. Work it out. Gotta turn it a little bit more. There we go. Pretty good. Did it good. I'm just going to keep moving up the plate. Now I do use a lint roller to clean my stamper. And I use pure acetone to clean my stamping plate. Line it up. And roll it on. There we go. Good deal. So we're just plopping along. So I don't really know what you would call this manicure. A little kind of marbly, little cell-like looking. Just a little bit of everything. Some of them kind of look a little camo. But it's all good. Because I ended up liking it. Awesome sauce. Here we go. We're going to go in with a piece of tape and get up the excess off of my skin. There's not much to do here today on that. And I'm going to clean up with my cleanup brush and some acetone. You can use regular nail polish remover. I'll be topping it with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Seal that stamping in. And then once that's totally dry, I'll be using this Poshe top coat to top it all off. So I do hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I always love hearing and talking with you. And here's my swatch photo. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.